Okay, back on the Wolverine 2016. There's the injection, carburation, whatever you call it. Beside it is the starter. You might notice it's slightly used. I had to use this to get it out of that. I don't think JB Welt's going to work on this one. Let's take a look in here. Let's see what the stuff looks like. Oh, there's a problem right there. That looks like a counterbalance of the crank. Why would the crank be at such an angle, though? I don't know. Might have something to do with that cracked case. So, getting down to it, I got all the wires taken off the block. Still have to take some of the water and oil lines off. I've drained what I could of the antifreeze, coolant, whatever you want to call it. Still got to take the exhaust off of it. But I'm getting down to the nitty gritty. Hopefully, I'm supposed to have the engine in beginning of this week. It didn't pan out. Hopefully, I've got another one that's supposed to be in the works. So, yeah. Looks like this one's, I think it's a good core. Yeah, I'm sure of that.